shaves. I'd like to thank everyone for putting in for my free giveaway. And looks like the winner is Josh McDonald. I will post a video here. And Josh, you know how to get a hold of me, and we will get stuff sent down your way. Anyway, guys, thanks again. Thanks for all your support. I really appreciate it. And hopefully we'll do another draw here real soon. It was either going to be the 100 or if I can get lucky, get to the 150 subscriber giveaway, and we'll do one for then. So anyway, guys, again, you guys have an awesome shave. You guys take care. Thanks again. Bye-bye.